You that is looking at me, don't say it does not concern you, because it can concern anybody. And it is one of the leading causes of death the world over. Yes, anybody can be affected. Well, I just learned that Mama Sukura, one of the women living in our neighborhood, has been admitted in a hospital and is diagnosed of a terminal stage of cancer. Terminal stage means that it has reached the last level, and the doctors are saying he just have a few months to live. It's very unfortunate, but I'm suspecting maybe it was detected late. If some of the tips I'm about to give you has been practiced, possibly we will not be singing the same song we are singing now concerning this woman. It's unfortunate. Then, before I give you this tip, let me explain to you what cancer means. Our body is made up of tiny particles known as cells. By nature, these cells grow and die at a certain stage. The ones that are dying are being replaced by new ones. But for whatever reason that is beyond science and even scientists, some cells decide to grow and refuse to die. So because of this abnormality of their not dying when they're supposed to die, they cause some signs and symptoms to the patient, which include the following. The patient may start running short of blood. There is usually pain that doesn't even go with injection. So today, I've come to give you a little tips of the lifestyle practices you should imbibe that can protect you and prevent you from having cancer. Number one is feeding. Food is number one thing you do to fight or prevent cancer, because the nutrients in the food is what give the whole of your cell the ability to fight and prevent cancer by boosting the soldiers in your body known as immunity, so that anything in the body that will try to bring diseases that can cause cancer, these soldiers in the body will fight and kill them. Another thing is exercise and weight reduction. Please engage in any exercise that is appealing to you and reduce weight if you are overweight. Exercises and weight reduction helps to build these soldiers of the body. It boosts immunity that can help protect you against anything in the body that can make you to have cancer. Please, before I continue, let me tell you something. There's a stage known as precancerous stage. That is the stage before the cancer starts showing signs and symptoms. If you are able to detect it at that age, you will be able to conquer it and it will not manifest. Other things you're supposed to practice are as follows. Don't overexpose yourself to sunlight. Whenever there's too much scorching sun, if you must go out, wear protective clothes, protective hats, goggles, or go inside shades and protect yourself. By so doing, you are protecting yourself from what is known as ultraviolet ray. They can cause cancer. Then drink a lot of water. It's very necessary for proper circulation of the blood around our body that can take the nutrients that we need, or all our cells need to grow well. It is this blood equally that will take all the soldiers of the body to the areas they will be used to protect our bodies. Then other things you have to do is that you have to go for medical screening, especially with regard to certain organs. For example, if you are a female, the breast is usually the first organ that is targeted for cancer. There are some screening. One is known as mammograph. At a certain stage in life, you are supposed to go from time to time to check your breast to ensure that there is no fear of cancer. And before you go for that, even in the hospital, you can check your breast at home, known as a self-breast examination. but that is a full topic I will treat some other days. Avoid alcohol. Reduce alcohol and avoid smoking. There are certain cancers, for example, lung cancers are associated with smoking. So avoid them and avoid taking any dangerous chemical. Avoid environmental carcinogens. Carcinogens are some chemicals that cause cancer. There are some companies or some companies rather that use chemicals to produce what they are selling, and these chemicals can cause cancer. So it is the work of safety officers in such companies to provide some shield, some wares that the workers can put on to protect them from such carcinogens. Yes, when you do all this, I can bet you will say bye to anything that has to do with cancer. Other things you can do is avoid stress. Stress is so bad because when you're overstressed, it beats down on your immunity, which is the soldier of the body, and any infection can come and make you to have cancer. Yes, it's very necessary. Sleep well, rest well. It is very, very necessary too. If you are able to do all this, I can assure you, you are a far more step to not having anything to do with cancer. Remember, on this channel, I treat health tips. I give health tips that can save lives. So follow me for more of such tips. Help me to share this video. What topic would you like me to treat in my next video? Let me see your opinion on the comment section.